In this video, I will show you how to sell digital products on Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Products, then select Add Product. Enter your product title, description, and upload a cover image for your digital product. In the pricing section, enter the price you want to charge. Next, scroll down to the shipping section and uncheck this as a physical product so Shopify knows you're selling a digital item. Now, click Save to create the product. After that, go to Apps and install Shopify's Digital Downloads app. Once it's installed, open the app and attach your digital file, such as a PDF, zip, ebook, template, or other downloadable product, to the product you just created. Save your changes, then open the product and make sure the digital file has been successfully attached. Finally, preview your store, purchase the product using a test order if needed, and confirm that customers receive the download link after checkout. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.